Welcome to How to Use Zoom Videos in Canvas. This first video in this series is going to talk about the difference between Zoom Global and Zoom in your course menu. Now, Zoom is a program that allows us to do video conference calls and record meetings and do a variety of different things, but you can access it in different ways. One way that teachers access it is through the course menu. When you click Zoom here, you can schedule meetings, you can see cloud recordings, but you should know that these meetings and recordings are only accessible to students in this course. If you'd like to make Zoom meetings to use beyond the course or to use across multiple courses, well, then you need to go to your Zoom Global menu. Now, how do you get to your Zoom Global menu? Well, if you go to valenciacollege.zoom.us, you can sign in with your Atlas credentials. And then once there, you have access to schedule meetings, join meetings. You can make recordings and track all of your recordings by date and time. You can change your settings and adjust your account profiles and do everything because this is your global account. This is your real Zoom account where you have access to everything. I recommend that if you're going to start making meetings and start making things happen in Zoom, to get familiar with the Zoom Global dashboard.